Do you struggle with discipline? You set goals, make plans, and tell yourself, this time, I'll be consistent. But then you're not. You try waking up early, but you hit snooze. You sit down to study, but you start scrolling. You plan to work out, but somehow it never happens. Why? Is it laziness? A lack of willpower? No, it's because your brain is working against you. Your mind is wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Think about it, which feels better? Sleeping for 5 more minutes or forcing yourself out of bed to hit the gym? Your brain will always choose the easier, more pleasurable option because thousands of years ago, avoiding pain meant survival. Pain was danger, pleasure was safety. But in today's world, that same wiring makes discipline feel like suffering. Your brain sees studying or exercising as pain, so it resists. But scrolling TikTok, that's instant pleasure, so it craves more. And as long as discipline feels like suffering, you'll keep choosing the easy way out, even when you don't want to. But here's the good news. You don't need more willpower or motivation. You just need to understand how your brain works and use it to your advantage. And there are 2 simple ways to do that. The first is to make the pain of not doing greater than the pain of doing. If you struggle to take action, ask yourself, what happens if I don't change? Picture yourself 10 years from now, struggling to climb stairs because you never exercised, feeling stuck in life because you kept procrastinating, regretting the time you wasted. Imagine yourself on your deathbed, looking back at all the dreams you never pursued. Would you be able to forgive yourself? When the pain of staying the same becomes worse than the pain of taking action, you'll finally move. The second way is to make discipline pleasurable. Your brain resists things that feel like suffering, so make it fun. Hate studying? Play some music in the background. Struggle to wake up early? Create a morning routine you actually look forward to. Hate working out? Try dancing, hiking, or a sport you enjoy. And most importantly, celebrate small wins. Your brain loves small victories because they release dopamine, the feel-good chemical. These small wins make the process rewarding, and when something feels good, you'll want to do it again. Now it's your turn. What's one way you can make discipline easier for yourself? Can you turn it into a game, add a reward? Or will you make the pain of not doing unbearable? That's the secret to effortless discipline. A year from now, you'll either be proud of your progress or regret not starting today. So tell me, what's one habit you'll start fixing right now? And if this helped, share it with someone who thinks discipline is hard.